Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a special Diwali snack, Thattai. This is a traditional snack made especially during festive season. This recipe is a simple one, so you can all try this recipe for this Diwali. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame until you get nice aroma. Now it's nicely roasted and it's golden brown in color, so remove and allow it to cool completely. Now to the same pan, add 1 cup of rice flour. Dry roast for 2 minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes now, so off the flame. Now to a Seive, add the roasted rice flour. I have powdered the roasted urad dal, add that as well. Now sieve both the ingredients and add it to the mixing bowl. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of ASAFOETIDA, a tablespoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of soaked chana dal. Soak it for 20 minutes before adding, and a bunch of chopped curry leaves. Then add 3 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix it well with a spoon, make sure it's well mixed. Now using your hands, pull out a portion and press it. It should hold together, only then your flour mixture is in perfect consistency. If not, add some more oil and try again. Now start adding water little at a time and mix it well until you get a chapathi batter consistency. Now keep ready a butter paper, pull out a small portion and make a ball out of it. Likewise, make another ball and keep it ready. Now close it with the other side of the butter paper and press it well with a flat plate or flat lid. Now open and check your thattais are nicely done. Don't make it too thick nor too thin, only then your thattais will turn out perfect. Now heat sufficient oil in an iron pot. Go with iron pot, only then your thattais will cook evenly. Now drop in 2 to 3 thattais at a time and cook for 3 minutes in medium flame. After 3 minutes, flip it to the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. Now our thattais are perfectly cooked and super crispy, so let's remove them. Give it a 5 minutes rest time and then you can enjoy it right away with a hot cup of tea. Do try this recipe at your home for this Diwali and let me know your feedback in the comments. I'll meet you all with another recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.